Hey everyone! Get ready for fiery explosions in nature's fury. From cars blazing like fireworks to landslides smashing homes like a Hollywood scene. Just a heads up, this is for fun, and a tiny reality check. In real life, safety should be the only thing that goes full blast. The moment that should have been the happiest turned into a memory no one wants to keep. Light doesn't always mean celebration. Sometimes it's a warning flame of negligence. Electric shock performance, the remix version of traditional fireworks. A little uncontrolled fun can lead to serious accidents. Don't mess with fireworks unless you're a trained technician. This isn't just a natural incident, it's a wake-up call for better drainage and foundation maintenance in urban areas. A short clip, but a big reminder. Just a bit of carelessness in the kitchen can ruin the entire holiday season. Probably turned on the free fall simulator mode in the cockpit unintentionally. A dog accidentally triggered the gas stove, causing a small fire in Colorado Springs. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Don't leave flammable devices or food within reach of pets. The only difference between this and a Hollywood movie, this was real and nobody yelled cut. The fireworks explosion burned 2 homes to ashes. Another strong warning against lighting fireworks at home without proper precautions. It's unbelievable that no lives were lost. Grateful for that miracle. The drivers and workers were extremely lucky.
Holy fuck! Yeah, they got metal flying through the air there. They're going everywhere. Holy fuck!
One moment of lost control can burn down a whole neighborhood. Never underestimate the consequences of drinking in public. With this kind of firefighting, better let the fire burn itself out. Like a black diamond erupting in fury, mysterious and beautiful, yet dangerously powerful. A gas tanker exploded at a fueling station just hours after a hydroelectric plant incident, a clear sign of cascading risks in energy infrastructure. Mud volcanoes like this are typical in the Caspian region. Dramatic eruptions, but rarely cause major damage. A unique natural phenomenon. Wooden buildings and narrow alleyways allowed the fire to spread rapidly. It's time to rethink fire safety standards in Tokyo's older commercial zones. Electric arcs can ignite even damp trees. Fire safety should never be overlooked.
Gaz, ek yoqqa gaz o'tkazyapti, shunday o'rt chiqdi. Jannalik mashinani zo'r olib qoldik mashinani. Mashina zo'r olib qoldik. Ko'rdinglar o'zing.
This clip should be shared with campers so they can avoid those heart-stopping moments from bad physics.
Rocky here, hey. I slide down on the rocks.
Australia's already known for dangerous animals. Now add friendly lightning. Looks like the car decided to quit its job in the loudest way possible. One rock rolling down a mountain equals an entire fireworks factory blown up. Thought it was a Hollywood scene, not early morning in Guangxi.
Let's see if it really works. Wow. Wow. That really freaking works. Oh my God, look at that.
This is my first time seeing cottonwood pollen burn like that. Mesmerizing.
Wow.
A small action, big consequence. Please don't gamble with people's lives just for a bit of money. Luckily, everyone is safe. Thought only phones could explode. Turns out motorcycle batteries are just as dangerous. Masterpiece of nature, both majestic and chilling. Luckily, he's safe. luxury doesn't mean safety. Even yachts need strict technical checks. Just by looking at that flash, you can tell it's related to a high-voltage electrical fault. Hopefully it didn't affect the local grid. Being human is already hard, avoiding viruses, avoiding debt. Now we even have to avoid falling airplanes. Concrete retains moisture, and when exposed to high heat, it can explode due to pressure buildup. Don't place fire directly on the ground, everyone. The wrong landing spot edition gave the whole beach a free fireworks show.
Agora aqui em Ubatuba, acabou de cair um avião, gente. Parece que tem sobrevivente. Vamos torcer.
Working in technical jobs is truly tough. I hope society starts caring more about workplace safety for people like him. One splash of water equals a mini explosion. Everyone should know these basic safety rules. Don't try unless you want to be on the 9 o'clock news. The driver of the red truck was not exactly sober and earned themselves a special ticket straight to parties in section chaos. Around 3 a.m. on July 17, 2024, in Whitefish Bay, Wisconsin, police tried to stop an SUV without license plates. The driver, 25-year-old Jemakia Dur, ignored orders and sped off, reaching 96 mph.
Eastbound Webster. Northbound Bartlett. I'm right on. crash. I'm gonna need fire. We're at.
The chase ended when Durr ran a red light and crashed into a police car at E. Bellevue Place and N. Bartlett Avenue in Milwaukee. This truck driver was incredibly careless. Thankfully, everyone is safe, or this could have been a much bigger story. Starting the car without removing the fuel pump resulted in a fireworks show right at the gas station, an unforgettable lesson indeed. A car crashed into a restaurant. Luckily, no one was hurt. Always drive carefully, because one moment of carelessness can lead to serious consequences. Not familiar with automatic cars, the female driver accidentally turned the parking lot into a swimming pool. Luckily, no one had to swim with the car. A light reverse turned into a big explosion. The gas station was probably more shocked than the driver. A driver on the Mate created a domino effect, hitting 3 cars before flipping over, adding to a chaotic 20-vehicle pileup. The car seemed to want to be a ballet dancer, flipping gracefully in the middle of the road, leaving the entire street in awe. car in Rochester twisted and turned like a circus act, but the final flip was a bit too over the top. Fell asleep while driving in a tunnel, crashed into the wall, and ended up blocking the road. Truly a golden nap, but at what cost? DHL ran into a stubborn lamppost. The truck's wrecked, but the post stands tall. Truly a battle of strength gone wrong. The driver is drunk, the car is lost. A clear lesson: if you're not sober enough, leave the car keys at home. The Jeep changed lanes like it was freehand painting, and the SUV took the hit. Truly, art in the wrong place leads to consequences no one wants. Learning parallel parking but ending up with a double accident. Truly an expensive lesson in both skills and the wallet. Running a red light isn't just a moment of carelessness, it's a costly lesson. Traffic laws exist to ensure everyone's safety. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.